Hello, this is Victor at restoreyourmercedes.com. This video is for Bram in Pennsylvania. Here we have SL500 throttle body, SL500. Just repaired the wires and it's been bench tested. Just want to show you the operation before I mail it back out. Alright, so first off is the temperature. As you can see, it's been running for a while to get to this temperature, because ambient temperature of the room right now, as you can see, is around 69-70 degrees roughly. So we have this one at low hundreds, so that's pretty good. That's pretty hot. The unit itself is very nice. It's clean. Activation is nice and fluid. Nothing stuck. Cleaned off really well. There is a little bit of oxidation going on there, as you can see, but that's not critical. I sanded it down just slightly with very fine sandpaper, but again, that is absolutely not critical. Most of them have some oxidation here and there, so whichever areas I could not get, I didn't get, but other than that, unit looks very nice. Okay, very good. Now, next thing is I'm just gonna show you readings real quick, just to show you voltages, see what's going on here. So here's our voltages here. The throttle linkage is all the way to idle position. Here it is. So at idle position we have 4.25, that's median value, and 0.49, that's also median. This is right there in the middle. From 0.4 to 0.6, 0.5 is right on point. 4.25 is also what I usually see on all these units connected to this particular module that I'm using. Your readings might vary, because if you connect like a V8 module, like something like this is a V8 from a SL500. These two sent to me for testing. So then the readings might change, but my module, this is what I operate with, and this is where I want my readings to be, and right on point. Now, next thing is obviously the operation. If we open the throttle a little bit, then you'll see that voltages do change. They move opposite directions from each other, and also micro switches. See, if it's an idle, our micro switches is on off. Once we get off the idle, they will flip over to off on. And that is the proper operation. All the V8s for some reason don't read micro switches, but I just wanted to have as full readout from any unit as possible. These can jump around a little bit. That's a software, that's not the unit itself. So as you can see, voltages are close to mirror image, which is fine. They never get to mirror image, but you get the idea. Now the linkage is extremely light. You can see I can just move it with my finger over here, just by friction. Very good. And pretty much that will be all. The coil seems to be okay, because it's been on the bench for 3 days, I believe. Today it's been energized to be you know, like activated, versus it was just sitting idle because I had other unit on the bench. So this is the V8 operation. See, V8 does not open all the way. The V8 controller, see, the other controller I have from 6-cylinder, that one opens all the way. And this is what you're going to find in your car. But this is, again, this is normal operation. This is the way it is. That's just the V8 control modules. They behave just like this, like halfway. Whereas my bench tester allows me to open all the way. That's what I want to show customers. But don't be alarmed if yours open just halfway. That's normal. Okay, so this is basically going to be all for me. Unit is ready to go, and I'll send you a link to this video and mail it back out. Alright, this is Victor at restoreyourmercedes.com. Thank you for watching.